Ag Day Weather, brought to you by
Discover the next frontier in crop protection. Preaxor fungicide.
Welcome back to Ag Day here with meteorologist Mike Hoffman. Mike, another week. We're expecting some more cold weather this week or warm up?
Yeah, well, at least for the early part of the week, we will see milder temperatures than we've seen. But we still are talking about that Siberian Express coming out of the northwest. As a matter of fact, you can kind of see that with the trough sitting just north of Canada and north of Alaska there. That's some very cold air coming across the poles from Siberia. We started talking about this last Wednesday on Ag Day, and that is still projected to come in. We have a trough as we start the week, you'll notice, in the eastern parts of the country, and then it's kind of zonal just a little bit. We'll see another little trough right there dig into the Great Lakes as we put this into motion and move through the northeast for the middle of the week. But it's that trough right there that's going to have that Siberian air, very, very cold air, and that looks like that comes plunging in Thursday and Friday into the northern plains. Now, typically, computer models don't do well in this situation. I expect this trough to be stronger and farther to the west as we head into early parts of next week. What usually happens when you have very, very cold, heavy air like this, it just slams straight down the plains because there's nothing to stop it. It goes all the way to Texas, and then it comes eastward. And so we'll just kind of have to watch how this evolves, but expect things to become, or to be a little more tolerable to start this week, and then become colder in the northern plains as we head through the end of the week. So I'm going below normal up there because you might actually be near normal for a couple of days early in the week, but then you're going to see that real cold air come in late in the week. Still below normal, but not nearly as much so for the Ohio Valley, Great Lakes, and parts of the Northeast. But we are going to go above normal for the southeast from eastern North Carolina all the way to Florida and Louisiana, and above normal for much of the southwest, as you can see there from southern New Mexico through most of California. Precipitation this week then near normal from the Great Lakes to the Gulf Coast and right up the Appalachians all the way into the northeast. A couple of storm systems kind of moving through that area. Below normal then southern Kansas down into Texas, and below normal out west. Above normal with some upslope snows later on in the week expected for the northern portions of the Rockies. 30-day outlook for temperatures. I'm still looking at my winter forecast here basically. Below normal for most of the Corn Belt, most of the middle of the country, only above normal area in Florida. Above normal then from the Gulf Coast into the Great Lakes in the northeast. Same thing in Montana, and it looks like Wyoming. Below normal for parts of West Texas and also much of the Southwest. That's a look across the country. Now let's take a look at some local forecasts. First of all, for Ely, Nevada today, partly to mostly sunny. High temperature still chilly at 48 degrees. Monroe, Louisiana, plenty of sunshine and milder. High temperature up to 59. Rochester, New York, very cold. Snow showers possible. High temperature of 36.